Nearly 300 people may have been exposed to measles in Colorado Springs.
That's the first case the county's seen in more than 20 years. And KRDO News Channel 13's Rana Novini joins us live now. And Rana, doctors are confirming that a patient at Penrose had the measles. They were there last week.
Yeah, someone with measles visited the ER at Penrose, Maine on North Nevada on Saturday. Around 200 patients and 70 healthcare workers may have been exposed there. The health department is warning those people to look out for symptoms.
The symptoms start like a common cold.
Feeling under the weather, a cough, runny nose.
But the distinct measles rash is hard to miss.
They start developing this rash and these spots inside their mouth. Problem is it can turn into encephalitis. It can turn into these other deadly parts of the disease.
Penrose Hospital cared for a measles patient last week, the first in decades.
This is only the first case of measles that we've seen in El Paso County since 1992.
As for where it came from, Disneyland, where several cases of measles were reported last month. The disease that was eliminated in the U.S. is making a comeback.
The world has shrunk, and so people are traveling a lot more.
Because it's a small world after all.
And a lot of these diseases that weren't here before are coming back here because people are going to other parts of the world, getting them and bringing them back here.
Another reason measles cases are popping up, vaccinations or lack thereof.
If people aren't getting vaccinated or getting vaccinated as much as they should.
The #1 recommendation from doctors, make sure your vaccinations are up to date.
Now, the good news is most people are vaccinated, and measles is generally not deadly, though complications, as Dr. John mentioned, can arise. So doctors ask if you visited Penrose last Saturday to look for those symptoms and call a doctor if you experience them. Reporting live in studio, Rana Novini, KRDO News Channel 13.
Okay, thanks, Rana.